Cereal! The first thing that you are going to be eating is a bowl. You gotta put your shit in there. This is the cereal we will be eating. Frosted Flakes. Off-brand, because I can't afford on-brand. Holy shit! What you'll want to do is dump the Frosted Flakes into your bowl. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Once you're done with that, you'll want to grab your milk and open it and pour it into the bowl. Be careful not to overflow the bowl though, or you might get milk on your shoes. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Make sure to like, subscribe, and
Shh.